Ford has broken ground on a new plant in Michigan that's going to build the electric F-150. This is big stuff because, well, obviously the F-150 is very popular vehicle, commonly, often, in a yearly basis, the most sold individual model in the United States, also in Canada, actually. People love pickup trucks. People buy pickup trucks. People use pickup trucks, whether, you know, work, recreation, all this kind of stuff. And of course, it's exciting to see products like the Cybertruck and the Rivians and this and that, but the footprint just isn't quite there in the same way that it is for Ford and in the way that it is for the F-150. If the F-150 goes electric, it's going to be real easy for people that are on those leases with the current relationship with their...
A lot of loyalty.
Ford dealer, and they just... loyalty in the truck. Man.
Yeah.
People love their truck brands.
Yeah.
And so they just roll into the dealer. They trade in their old one for the new electric one. It's going to have some pretty massive, well, of course, massive implications. They're a little bit behind, though.
Are they?
Yeah, well, with this plant here, I think they're aiming at mid-2022 for delivery on this thing. Now, they launched a hybrid model on the current model year, so they're going to probably try to push people towards that for the time being. And then this electric model mid-2022, but of course, that's behind Rivian. It's behind Tesla with the Cybertruck. I know it's not a one-to-one comparison. Anyway, they say that their new F-150 plant is going to employ a bunch of new people. They're going to spend $700 million on it. People love that. People love jobs. And this thing is going to feature dual electric motors. It will deliver more horsepower and torque than any F-150 available today, the fastest acceleration, and the ability to tow heavy trailers. So this thing it's really heating up well. The company said it will spend $11.5 billion to produce over a dozen electrified models by 2022, including, obviously, this one. I think this is the most important one. This is the big one. If they figure out the truck thing, the electrification of the roads come 2022.
Yeah.
And some people might be mad saying, well, Tesla did all this. Tesla started this ball rolling. Yeah, exactly. I bet you Elon is happy about it.
Yeah.
Saying, I wanted the world to go electric, and this Ford move is going to accelerate that big time.
Yes.
So, yeah, he's got to compete with it. But at the same time, it's the adoption rate.
Bigger picture. Yeah.
Anyway.